Good day, employees. Today we are at our pre-opening virtual orientation. Pag-uusapan lang natin ngayon is about our menu and our pricing. And makakasama natin ngayon sa orientation is the founder of Pearl and Crown, Mr. Tia.
Hello everyone. Thank you all for coming and attending our pre-opening orientation for the Pearl and Crown. It is a mid-range restaurant that is gonna open soon in BGC. So first, I'll show you the physical menu that we have printed out. This is the first page, Pearl and Crown, and then we have here the second page, the appetizers menu. We have kamote and fish, scotch egg longanisa, and prawn cocktail with mango bagoong sauce. Then for our second page, we have the main course page. For our third, we have the dessert page. And then for our last page, we have the beverages page. So in this orientation, we will tackle about the food items in our menu and of course the pricing so that if ever in the future if guests ask you all regarding about the menu, you will be able to answer them. So let us now start the presentation.
So the name of our restaurant is Pearl and Crown, a fusion of British and Filipino cuisine located at BGC. So this is the first page of our menu, which is the appetizer. So for our appetizer, we have kamote and fish, scotch egg longanisa, and prawn cocktail with mango bagoong sauce.
Okay.
So first is kamote and fish. Bakit nga ba kamote and fish? Kasi in the UK, it is very popular yung fish and chips. So with the twist of a Filipino cuisine, we are going to change yung chips to kamote and yung fish to bangus. So perfect fusion siya of flavor and miss mababa din yung cost kasi yung kamote mura lang naman siya dito sa Philippines compared sa potatoes na kukunin pa natin sa ibang lugar. So, yung food cost is 100 to 120 pesos. Yung markup niya is 2.5. And yung competitors natin, because sa BGC nga siya, medyo mataas yung pricing nila. It is 350 to 450. Medyo similar dish din sa kamote and fish. So, since we are competition-based, our final pricing will be 340 pesos.
For our next menu item, it is the Scotch egg longanisa. So it is a classic Scotch egg kung saan it is a piece of egg na binabalot siya sa usually sa sausage. And our Filipino twist with this British food item is imbis po na sausage is babalutan po natin siya ng longganisa which will add a bit more flavor and it will have that perfect fusion of British and Filipino cuisine. So, ang food cost po natin is 70 to 90 pesos and our markup is times 2.5. And then for the competitors, for the for their menu items na similar sa ating Scotch Egg Longganisa, it is 250 to 400 pesos. And since yun nga, we are a competition-based pricing, we will have the final price of 245. And our menu nga pala is ano, cost-based pricing and competition-based pricing. So, of course, sa cost-based, we need to make sure na kumikita tayo from the cost, nagmo-markup tayo. And sa competition-based, we try to be below sa mga katapat na competitors, below the price of the enemy.
Next is sorry about that. Okay, prawn cocktail with mango bagoong sauce. So since mango is our national fruit here in the Philippines, kaya naisip namin na ipag-combine yung mango bagoong sauce, which medyo weird siya, pero it tastes really good. So, ang food cost niya is 120 pesos to 150 pesos. Ang markup natin is times 2.5. And sa competitors natin na merong similar with prawn cocktail with mango bagong sauce, similar lang naman. They priced it for 380 pesos to 500 pesos. So our final price is, since cost based tayo and competition based, is 370 pesos.
The next one. For our next one, it is the main course, the menu of the main course. So we have here the soft copy of the physical menu. So we have beef Wellington with bistec sauce, bangers and mash with kare-kare gravy, adobo shepherd's pie, lechon kawali with Yorkshire pudding. So first, let's go with the here, main course. Generous and flavorful dishes, thoughtfully prepared to be the heart of your dining experience, offering a perfect balance of comfort and sophistication. So again, we have the beef Wellington with bistec sauce, bangers and mash with kare-kare gravy, adobo shepherd's pie, and lechon kawali with Yorkshire pudding. So first we have the beef Wellington with bistec sauce. So it is a classic beef Wellington po, but we add a Filipino twist with it where yung sauce po niya is bistec sauce na isa pong sikat na dish dito sa Pilipinas. Then yung food cost po niya is 250 to 300 pesos depending on some factors. And then ima-mark up po siya ng 2.5. And for the competitors, ang usual price point po nila sa mga gantong dish is 800 to 1,200. And then since we target to be below of our competitors, our final price will be 775.
Okay, for our next dish is bangers and mash with kare-kare gravy. So, kaya tinawag na bangers, it is sausage. Mash is the mashed potato. And with the Filipino twist, gagawin natin with kare-kare sauce. So, kare-kare sauce, alam naman natin lahat yon, pero it's made with ground peanuts or peanut butter. So, since the food cost will be around 120 to 160 pesos, and our markup is times 2.5. Sa mga competitors natin with similar dish around BGC, ina-offer nila to for about 450 to 650 pesos. So, ang final price natin for bangers and mash with kare-kare gravy is 450 pesos.
For our next one, we have the adobo shepherd's pie. So it is a classic shepherd's pie po. But our Filipino twist is that instead of the usual meat na nilalagay sa ilalim ng shepherd's pie, sa layer ng shepherd's pie, is papalitan po natin siya ng classic adobo. So our food cost for this one is 100 to 150 pesos. And of course, the usual markup of 2.5. And then for similar items in our competitors, we saw that their prices are 400 to 600. And so our final price will be 400. It is not a bit, hindi siya below dun sa mga lowest of the lows na kalaban natin, but it is still lower than the prices of the more high-end na competitors. So gumana pa rin yung competition-based pricing natin without sacrificing our cost and profits. Next one.
Next one is lechon kawali with Yorkshire pudding. So, lechon kawali, alam naman natin lahat yon. It is deep fried pork. And Yorkshire pudding is basically made with eggs, flour, and milk. So, it is a perfect fusion of Filipino and British cuisine. This food cost is about 150 to 180 pesos. Actually, nagde-depends pa yun kasi madalas tumaas or bumaba yung price ng pig, ng mga baboy ngayon. So, since our markup is times 2.5, yung competitors natin, they serve it yung similar dish for 450 to 700 pesos. So, our final price, since nga competition-based tayo, mas tinatry natin babaan yung price natin kaysa sa mga competitors natin around BGC, around our area. Our final price will be 450 pesos.
So next one, it is our desserts menu. So we have Turon Sticky Toffee Pudding, Butterroll Chocolate Trifle, and Pandan Bread Pudding. So again, this is the soft copy of our physical menu. First one is Turon Sticky Toffee Pudding, Butterroll Chocolate Trifle, Pandan Bread Pudding. So desserts, indulgent creations to sweeten the finale of your meal. Each one a perfect blend of decadence and artistry. So the first one is Turon Sticky Toffee Pudding. So it is a classic ano po. It is a classic turon, but ang British twist naman po natin sa kanya is that dinidrizzle po natin siya sa ibabaw ng toffee sauce. Isa po siyang sikat na dessert sa United Kingdom where it is a toffee pudding. Pero ang pinagkaiba lang po niya dito is that turon po siya, then lalagyan mo siya ng toffee sauce. So, our food cost for this one is 50 to 80 pesos. The usual markup of the 2.5 since we are cost-based pricing. Then, competitors, ang mga similar po na menu na item ng ganito na sa mga competitors natin is 200 to 300 pesos. And our final price para mas mababaan natin siya kesa sa mga katapat is will be 200 pesos.
Next is Butterroll Chocolate Trifle. Trifle is a very popular dessert in UK. Actually, it is originated in UK. Pero since with the Filipino twist, ang chocolate na gagamitin natin is our very own Butterroll. Butterroll is originated in Pampanga. So the food cost will be around 80 to 100 pesos since Butterroll is very cheap lang. Our markup is 2.5. So, tapos ang competitor natin around BGC na nag-offer ng same dish, siguro trifle or butterroll or whatever, the competitor is 300 to 400 pesos. So, our final price will be 275 pesos.
The next one is the pandan bread pudding. So it is another classic British dessert. It is a bread pudding. Now, the Filipino twist na naisip po namin ilagay sa dish na to is to add pandan. So dun po siya, parang lalagyan po namin siya ng pandan flavor and pandan fillings. Then, yun, ipag-mix natin yung dalawa. Then, food cost po natin is 50 to 70 pesos. Of course, depending again sa different factors. Then, mark up the usual, 2.5. And then, for similar dishes of our competitors, the price range are 200 to 300 pesos. So, for the final price, bababaan po natin siya kaysa dun sa mga matataas na presyo ng mga kalaban. And our final price will be 200 pesos. So, next one.
For our beverages, kung makikita nyo, mostly of our beverages may tea. So, I'll explain it further. Next slide, please. So, our beverages is calamansi Earl Grey tea, ube milk tea with black tea, mango sago bubble tea with English breakfast, salted caramel banana latte, and iced black tea with calamansi and ginger. Ito lang. Okay. For calamansi Earl Grey tea, so, sabi ko nga kanina, mostly tea yung nasa menu natin. Kasi sa UK, ang siesta time nila is to drink tea. So every afternoon, they have this, they called high tea. So makikita natin na puro tea, Grey tea, black tea, and yun nga, yung iced black tea. So let's start with calamansi Earl Grey tea. Ang food cost niya is 30 to 35 pesos. Ang markup is 2.5. So, sa competitors natin, meron siyang 120 to 180 pesos. For a final price, it will be 115 pesos.
The next one is ube milk tea with black tea. So, it is a classic black tea po na sikat sa United Kingdom, and yung twist po natin sa kanya is lalagyan natin siya ng ube flavor. So, rich, creamy flavors of ube blended with bold black tea. So, the food cost for this one is 40 to 60 pesos. And then, of course, markup po natin sa lahat ng ating food items is 2.5. Then, sa mga similar food items sa mga competitors, ang price range po niya is 150 to 200 pesos. So our final price will be 160 pesos. It is a bit above dun sa mga lowest of the lows, dun sa 150 range. Pero it is still below dun sa 200 range natin. So hindi natin siya pwedeng babaan dun sa pinakamababa, since kapag ginawa natin yon, medyo matatamaan naman yung profits natin. And since we are cost-based, hindi natin pwede yun. So parang meet in the middle tayo sa dalawa. Next one.
Next one is mango sago bubble tea with English breakfast. So sabi ko nga kanina, mango is our national fruit. And sago bubble tea.
Then, yan, mango sago bubble tea with English breakfast. So, it is a bubble tea po na ginamitan natin ng English breakfast, which is a classic black tea that is popular in UK. Then, ang Filipino twist po natin sa kanya is lalagyan natin siya ng mango puree with chewy sago pearls. So, sikat na sikat yung dalawang yun dito sa Pilipinas, mango and sago. Then, pinagsama-sama po natin siya. Then, our food cost is 50 to 70 pesos, a markup of 2.5. And then, sa similar items ng competitors natin is 150 to 200 pesos. Then, our final price will be 180. So, yun nga, medyo mataas na naman siya. Medyo above na naman siya dun sa lowest of the lows, pero it is still lower than dun sa 200 range ng mga kalaban, since we can't sacrifice our profits just to be below sa mga competitors natin.
Okay, for the next drink, we have salted caramel banana latte. So, hindi naman siya super mainit, pero just warm enough. Salted caramel banana is very popular here in the Philippines. Alam naman natin yan. So, ang drink cost nito will be 45 to 55 pesos since banana is cheap lang din dito sa Philippines. Our markup is 2.5. Our competitors are offering it similar lang din naman for 140 pesos to 180 pesos. So for our final price, it will be 145 pesos. And for the last drink we have is iced black tea with calamansi and ginger. The drink cost will be 35 to 45 pesos. Our markup is 2.5, and our competitors are offering it yung same lang ulit for 130 pesos to 200 pesos. Since we are cost-based and we are competition-based nga, our final price will be 125 pesos. So,
That's it. Thank you. So,
that's all.
thank you very much for all of the participants that are here today. We hope to see you soon on our grand opening of our restaurant. And Yun, maraming salamat sa inyong lahat and see you all soon. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.